Welcome back to the 7th video in the series of Mastering Regular Expressions. In last few videos, we have learned about regular expressions in details, which includes many things, and now we are well equipped for writing regular expressions for different search patterns. In the last video of group constructs, we learned how parentheses can be used for creating groups. We also learned how named groups can help us to write concise regular expressions. Alright, in this video we are going to learn about character classes. Now let's dive in this together. In regular expressions, character classes allow us to match any one character from a set of characters. We can define a character class enclosing by square brackets. Also, when we are writing character classes, caret symbol is used as negation of all the characters which are present inside these square brackets. Let's understand character classes with some examples. Okay, let's say we are writing ABC inside square brackets. It will match a single character of either A or B or C. If we say caret, which means negation of A, B or C, so it will match any character except A, B or C. It will match D, it will match Z or any other character set except A, B, C. Let's assume if we want to match A, B, C, D, E, F, G until the Z last character, we can use short form of writing these character classes, which says A-Z, which effectively means that it will match anything between characters A to Z. Similarly, we can also say I want to match anything between 1 to 0. If I am writing 1-9, it will be equal to writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, we have seen these examples. Let's understand them more on Regex 101 website. Over here, what I have done is I have copied the ChatGPT Wikipedia entry because these days ChatGPT is really in news. So I have just copied it from Wikipedia. Now, let's say I'm writing ABC. What it will do, it will either match A or B or C, that we can see as these characters are highlighted. Let's say if I put one caret, so it will not match A, B or C. Apart from that, it will match every other character. Let's say I want to match alphabets between A to P. So if anything is there which is falling between A to P, it will get matched. If there is something which is outside these characters, it will not matched. You might see that over here character C is not matched. That is because if I want to match it, I will have to include the uppercase letters as well. So right now it is matching now. So that's how we can use these character sets. Similarly, I can denote digits as well, 0 to 9. So whatever the digits are there, those will get matched. Let's say if I don't want to match 5 and I want to match everything except 5, I can write 0 to 4 and 6 to 9. So over here it is not matching 5, and apart from that it is matching all other digits. So this is how we are going to use character classes. Character classes are very useful feature of regular expressions as they allow us to match any character from a specific set of characters with a single character class. This can make our regular expressions more concise and easier to read. Now we have understood the character classes. Now it's a question time. Let's think about which meta sequence will denote the character class 0 to 9. Think about it, pause the video, and once you are done thinking, just resume it. Okay, 0 to 9 character class can be denoted by /d, which is a meta sequence, which we know with the name digit meta sequence. Let's move forward. It's time for practice. Let's write a regular expression using character classes that matches not printable characters. Non-printable characters can be white spaces, tabs, vertical tabs, horizontal tabs. Here is a hint for you. This link is also available in the description section. You can just click on it. So these are different non-printable characters. You know what is the decimal value or hex value of these character codes, and from here till here you might want to create a character class and you want to mesh that. Okay, try writing this regular expression. Try to practice it. Here our series on the regular expression is coming to a conclusion, but I know that we have discussed many questions in the different videos of this series. I will be back with a bonus video having solutions to all the questions that I have asked you or that we have come across in the different videos of this series. Alright, happy learning till then, and I'll see you soon.